So, where do we start?
Right here. We go all the way around the mountain back to right here, and then we go down.
We'll start right after nap time.
You're the worst.
Hey, I can't even see the top of the volcano from here. How are we supposed to know when it erupts?
How about when the island starts shaking violently and we all fall down on our faces like usual?
You know what I mean.
We won't know exactly.
It's up to us to be ready at any moment.
Okay.
And
Martin!
okay, what's your plan?
We're going to send the lava down to the beach.
And then they can burn themselves to death, right?
Well,
At least it's not setting fire to the pillows underneath their heads.
This is more to make a point about the dangers of lava. We're just making sure it ends up at their feet.
I love your hot and slimy plan. It's my kind of plan.
I guess it is kind of foul play.
It's okay, we're all a little bit hypocritical under pressure.
And we're gonna start right after nap time.
Yeah, nap.
How can you guys nap at a time like this?
I can't take a quick recharge.
Yeah. Okay. But quickly, we've got a lot of work to do.
Guys, calm down. Where'd he go?
He was captured by the odors!